Hi dears, how are you dears? This is your Uma ma'am. Hi. You should go outside dears. You should not go outside. Please wash your hands before and after eating. Okay dears. Today we are going to see your revision dears for SA2 examination. Okay, next week we will write SA2 examination dear. So we will prepare well dears. You will see this video. Okay, shall we go dears? Yeah, super. Okay dears. See here. What is this dears? Okay dears, what dears? Can you tell? Yeah, this is a plant. What dear? This is a plant. Yeah. Oh, we have. Can you tell your body parts? Yeah. Parts of our body? Yeah. Head, eyes, nose, ears, mouth. These are our parts of our body. So we are human beings. We have some parts of our bodies. In plants have some parts of the bodies in their bodies. Okay, what is this? Yes, some of the parts of a plant. Yo, okay. What is a part? Yeah, this is one of the parts of the plant. First part is root. This is a very must. Okay, if the plant grows well, must we have seeds and roots. Okay, from the plants have grown well. Okay, next one is what dear? Yeah, first one is root, second one is stem, next one, yeah, flower. What is the next part? Where is the next? Yeah, flower. First of all root, then we have to see we grown up the stem, then flower, then it comes fruit, then it comes leaf, after fruit. Okay, these are the parts of the plant. Once more I can repeat again. First part root, this is the root of the plant. Stem, this is a very important part. Okay, then it comes flower, this is flower, then leaf, then fruit. These are parts of a plant. Okay dears. Okay, like human beings, plants also have different parts. Already I'll say this like this. Okay, next we have to go to next. What is this dears? Yeah, super. Okay, if you go one place to another place, how will you go? Yes. How do you go to school? Yeah, super dear. You go to school by school van. Okay. If you go to other city to city, yeah, if you go to other city for relative homes, in other city likewise in Chennai, Trichy, Kumbakonam, these are, yeah, we have to move one place to another place. It's called travel. Okay, how do you travel from one place to another? Yeah, one place to another place we have to travel. Yeah, super. But it's called the transportation. Okay, we have to travel one place to another place. Which how will you move? Can you guess? Yeah, we have to move one place to another. Yeah. If okay, dears, if you go to your neighbor's home, yeah, how will you go? Yeah, we have to move. We will go by the bicycle, bike. Okay. Okay, if you go to another home, yeah, I means if you go. Okay, dears, we will go to one place to another place. We have used by the vehicles. Yeah, super. If you go to one city to another city, how will you go? Yeah, if you go to train, bus, and etc. If you go to long, I mean one country to another country, how will you go? Yeah, we have to use the airplane, flight. Yeah, this is called the flight. The first, okay, dears, these are vehicles. Okay, what transport, dears? What kind of transport? Okay, first of all, I asked aeroplane. Yeah, aeroplane is a what transport? Air transport. Why are you call air transport? It's moving on the in the air. So this is called the air transport. Next, motorbike. Motorcycle is, yeah, it's moving on the land. So it is a land transport. Bicycle also land transport. What is this, dear? Yeah, ship. Ship is a what, dear? Yeah, okay. It's moving on the water. So this is called the water transport. What, dear? This is a car. Yeah, auto rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, car, truck, lorry, yeah, scooty, train, tractor, bus. These are called ODS. Yeah, these are called land transport. Why are you called the land transport? Yes. Yeah, super. This is moving on the land. So it's called the land transport. Okay, what are the air transport? Super. Aeroplane and helicopter is a, yeah, superb, dear. Air transport. Which is water transport? Yes, ship. Yeah, very good. Boat. Yeah, ferry. Super. Ship, steamboat. These are called water transport. Okay. Okay. These are separate. See the picture. Yeah. These are para balloon is also called the what, dear? Air transport. These are okay. Can you tell? First one is water transport, air transport, yeah, land transport. What, dear? Yeah, rocket. This is also air transport. Flight, air transport. Okay, paraballoon is helipad is what, dear? Air transport. Okay, dears. We have to move next. What, dears? Do you like to play well? Yeah. Okay, in the COVID period, you have to play in your home. What kind of things have you played? Yeah, super, very good. The games are two kinds of games. We have to play in the indoor side, inside of the room, shed. This is called the indoor games. We have to play in the outside. Outside means ground, playground. These are called outdoor games. These type of games are called outdoor games. Okay, what is the indoor games, dears? Can you tell? Yeah, if you play in your home, these are called the indoor games. Likewise, carom, yeah, chessboard, what, basketball, yeah, this is a athletic sports, wrestling, boxing, yeah, oh dear, this is one of the indoor game. Billiards, badminton, what is ice skating, what dear, this is ice skating dear, this is what dear, table tennis. These are playing inside of the sheds, inside of the roof, inside of the home. So these are called the indoor games. Okay dear, we have to move the next. What is this dear? These kinds of games play only outside. Okay, what is this? Bike riding, shooting, yeah, it's running race, yeah, hockey, tennis, basketball, cricket, football, yeah, athletic sports, running, high jump, swimming, yeah, these are called the play outdoor games. Okay, if you go to school, you play in the playground, in the park, if you play in the swing, ladder, then we have to play in the playthings. Okay, slides. Okay, these types of games also called outdoor games. Okay, dears. What is this, dears? Here, lot of animals, dears. Can you tell animal name? Superb. Wild animals. Why are you called the wild animals, dears? Yeah, these are living in the forest. So these are called the wild animals. What is this? First one, fox, kangaroo, what dear? Wolf, tiger. Yeah, super. Then deer, lion, yeah, ox, buffalo, hippopotamus, yeah, zebra, elephant, deer, giraffe. These kinds of animals are living only in the forest. Is it? These are living in the forest only? No. Somebody's another place. Can you tell anybody? These kinds of animals grow in the another place. Did you see that place? Yeah, very good. Superb, dears. The another place is called zoo. What is zoo, dears? Did you go to zoo? See the zoos? Yeah, zoo. Yes, dears. அதாவது இந்த அனிமல்ஸ்லாம் ஃபாரஸ்டில் இருக்கும். சம் அனிமல்ஸ்லாம் எங்கே இருக்குது? ஜூவில் வச்சு வளர்க்குறாங்க. ஜூனா என்னது? மிருகக்காட்சி சாலை. அங்கே வந்து கூண்டில் போட்டு வளர்ப்பாங்க தெரியுமா? அதுக்கு ஃபுட்டெல்லாம் கொடுத்து. அப்புறம் இன்னொரு பிளேஸில் இதெல்லாம் இருக்குது. யார் கரெக்டாக சொல்லுவா? வெரி குட். டிட் யூ see the circus? சர்க்கஸில் அவங்களே வளர்ப்பாங்க. அந்த கூடு அவங்க சர்க்கஸ்லாம் போடுறாங்கல்ல, அவங்களாம் என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க? சர்க்கஸ் காமிக்கிறவங்களாம் இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராக்டிஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. வைல்ட் அனிமல்ஸ்க்கெலாம் ப்ராக்டிஸ் கொடுத்து செய்ய சொல்லுவாங்க. பார்த்துருக்கீங்களா? வந்து செய்யும் பாருங்கள். டாட்டா காமிக்கும். எலிஃபெண்ட் வந்து பால் விளையாடும். லைன் வந்து ஒரு ரிங்குள்ளே அப்படியே குதிச்சு ஓடி வரும். மங்கி வந்து எங்கேயும் ஓடி தாவி தாவி வரும். இதெல்லாம் எங்கே பார்த்துருக்கோம்? வைல்ட் அனிமல்ஸ்லாம் ஃபாரஸ்ட்டில் இருக்கும், ஜூவில் இருக்கும். வீட்டில் ஏமா வளர்க்கக்கூடாது வைல்ட் அனிமல்ஸ்லாம்? கடிச்சு தின்னும். பயமாக இருக்குமா? அதுக்கான பிளேஸு, அதுக்கான வாட்டர், அதுக்கான சீனரி, இதெல்லாம் ஃபுட்டெல்லாம் எங்கே நம்மளால் வீட்டில் கொடுக்க முடியாது. அதனால ஃபாரஸ்ட்டில் வளர்க்குறாங்க. ஓகே டியர்ஸ். வீட்டில் என்னென்ன வளர்க்குறாங்க? யார் சொல்லுவா? வீட்டில் என்னென்ன அனிமல்ஸ் வளர்க்கலாம்? கேன் யூ டெல்? டொமஸ்டிக் அனிமல். சரி, if you grow in have you some domestic animals named here? Did you know some domestic animal? Can you tell? Some domestic animals are grow in our home. Likewise goat. First of all, can you tell? Goat, chicks, then deer, dogs, somebody's can you? Very good. Next one, dog. Tell dear. You don't know? Okay dear, I'll tell. Okay, some animals. What kind of animals? Goat, duck, chicken. You'd like to eat chicken, dear? So some chicken, some chicks, cocks, then dear, cats. Somebody's having rabbits. Somebody's growing in your home rabbits, dear. Then pigs. In most of the place you have to grow in the pigs. Donkey. You didn't see donkey, dears. I think some donkeys are destroyed, dear. So donkeys, horse. Then can you tell? Horse. Cow is one of the domestic animal, dear. Ox. These like that, these are domestic animals. Okay, water animals. What is called water animal? Water animal is called the another name of aquatic animal. Okay dears, what is aquatic animals? Aquatic means water animals. Angelfish, tuna, starfish. How is it? Lobster, octopus. Do you like to eat lobster and crab and fish? Oh I would like to eat these seafoods, dear. Seahorse, sea, octopus, shark. These are what, dears? These are this is a lobster. Lobster means prawn, crab. Oh dear, octopus, sea turtle, dolphin plays well, dear, in the sea. Angelfish, shark. This is a shark fish. So these are aquatic animals, dears. Next one, what is this, dears? Where did you live, dears? Super, very good, dears. You are living in your home. Okay, for the animals, where did you live? Animals have animals have in homes. Okay dears, if you live in the pakka home, then buildings, hookah house. So these are called. We have to live variety kinds of houses here. So likewise animals also living in their lands, in their homes. So we have to see animals home. Okay, yes, yeah. First one is what here? Art and antle. Okay, next one. Birds, where did you live? Birds are living in the nest. Okay, next, what is this, dear? Yeah, cats. Cat's house is what, dear? Yeah, cat's house is cat house. Yeah, this is a cat's house. Cow, where did the cows protect, dear? Yeah, cows are in the shed. So cow is, yeah, dog houses. House name is kennel. Ducks are, where did you live in the ducks, dear? These are living in the pond. Okay, elephant. Where is the elephants live, dear? Yeah, forest. Fish houses, water. Yeah, hen houses, food. House name is honeybee house, beehive. Okay, dears. Horse is living in the stable. Monkey, trees. Monkey. Where you live in the monkeys or in the trees, dear? Yeah, the monkeys are. Monkeys did not sitting single place. It moving one tree to another tree always. Okay. So they were living only on the trees, dears. Mouse house is what, dear? Mouse are living always in the hole. Okay. Pig house name is stay. Rabbits are living in the burrow. Rabbits are living in the where, dear? Rabbits are living in the burrow. Tiger. Do you see the tiger? Yeah. How is it made nice, dear? Tiger. Yeah. Tigers are living in the dens. Spider make own house, that the web. Okay. Then what, dear? Sheep are living in the pen. Okay. These are animals home. Okay. These are animals home. What is this, dear? Flower's name. What is this? Flower's name. Do you like to put the flower? Yeah. Flowers are make very good fragrance, dear. Some flowers to flowers different fragrance. One flower to another flowers. Okay. First one is, do you like rose? Next one is marigold. Then hibiscus. What is this? Pansy means I think sangpoo. Yeah. Plumeria. These are in our home sites in the forest. Okay. Tulip. Yeah, jasmine. I would like to put only jasmine flower, dear. It was good fragrance, dear. It smelled good. The jasmine smell is very good, dear. Yeah. Dahlia. Sunflower. Its color is look like very nice, dear. Lotus. It is in the pond, dear. It grows in the pond. Lily also, daisy. These are called the daisy. Okay, dears. Next one. Yeah, what is this, dears? Very good. These are fruits. Yeah. Do you like to eat fruit? Yeah. Very good, dear. Super, dear. Fruits are very healthy food, dear. Yeah. Yes, dear. Okay, dears. Yes. First one is which kind of food, dear? Can you tell? Yeah. First one is apple. Then orange. Next one mango. What is this? Pineapple. Grapes. Orange. Yeah. Next one custard apple. Pomegranate. Banana. Grapefruit. Grapefruit means it's very familiar for in Kodaikanal, dears. Yeah, Kodaikanal grapefruit is these are the seasonal fruits. Yeah, cherries, coconut, yeah, pear, strawberry, raspberry. These are oftenly get into mountains. I would like to if you go to, I think, Ooty, Kodaikanal, in hills region. Okay, it grows in the hills region. Okay, dears. Fruits are more vitamin content, dear. So we have to eat daily at least one fruit, dear. Fruit or fresh juice. Okay, I would like to eat pomegranate. Do you like what fruit, dear? Yeah, all fruits have more content. Okay, so in the summer season we have definitely drink daily at least one fruit. Okay, yeah, super. What is this, dears? Yeah, vegetables. Do you know these names? Onion. Yeah. Next one, potato. What is this, dear? Tomato. Cucumber. Ladyfinger. Yeah, mushroom. Yeah, I would like to eat mushroom. Yeah, what is this, dears? Peas, carrot, cauliflower. Yeah, what is a big, dear? Which one is a big vegetable? Yeah, pumpkin is a big vegetable. Corn, brinjal, cabbage, capsicum. The vegetables have lots of vitamins here, as like that fruits. Okay, that's why we have to daily eat, yeah, all vegetables. Yeah, it has more healthy food, dears. It has more healthy for our body. Okay. Okay, did you eat all kinds of vegetable? Do you eat all kinds of vegetable, dears? You should eat definitely all vegetables. Yeah, okay. What is this, dears? This picture denotes what, dears? Yeah. This is what, dear? Very dark. So this picture denotes the weather season, dears. Yeah. What season going on, dears? Can you tell? It's very cool. It's very cloudy. It's very windy. It's very hot. How do you feel these seasons, dear? How do you feel that weather? Yeah, it's very hot. Always we have use the AC or fan. More sweating. We have more sweating. So, what season This is a summer season. What season, dear? Yeah, the weather name is sunny. The weather name is sunny. So, this season is, there are 4 seasons here. What is this, dear? The next season? Yeah, I would say one clue. We have used to umbrella in that season. What season? Yeah, rainy season. Yeah, then I will ask one question. If you have feel very cool, chillness, have to wear, you would like to wear sweater, kulla, socks. What season, dear? Yeah, very good, super. That's a winter season. That is a winter season. Okay, dears. What year? Yeah, the sun is very bright. So it is a summer season, sunny weather. Okay. Next one, we would like this season only the cotton dresses only. Okay. You are a small footies, dears. You would always wear only cotton dresses for this season. Okay. Yeah. What did you drink, dear? You don't drink cool water, ice water. Okay. If you drink only fresh juices, you have to take at least one fruit. I think lemon, orange, yeah, pomegranate, grapes. At least we have to drink one fruit juice, fresh juice. Don't buy outside juice, dears. Chemical juices, I like that. Fruity, some juices are in the bottle juices. It did not buy the bottle juices. Okay, you won't buy the bottle juices. You should drink only fresh juices in your home preparation only. Okay. Yeah. What is this, dears? Very good. This is ice creams. I would like to eat ice cream, dear. First one is vanilla. Next one is what, dear? Yeah, rose milk, strawberry. Next one is chocobar, chocolate. So it's very cool, dear. Okay, if you eat ice cream for this season. Okay, but I think you didn't eat regularly. Usually, oftenly you don't eat deers because here throats are infected. So we have to take at least monthly once. You should okay, monthly once you should eat ice cream. Okay, dears. What is this, dears? These are very healthy ragi cool. Okay, ragi porridge, dears. It's very good for our health. Okay, if you drink at least weekly once. Okay, dears. What is this, dears? This is a buttermilk. In that season we have to take this foods. Okay. Yeah. What is this, dears? When will you take umbrella? Yeah, we have to use umbrella in the rainy season. Then what is this? We will use the, yeah, very good, dears. Raincoats, yeah, sweater and kulla. These are we will use in the rainy season. Yeah. What is this, dear? Yeah, in winter season we have to use, winter season and rainy season also we have to use the what, dear? Sweater, kulla. you sweater in your home? Yeah, it's protect ourselves. Okay, what is this, dear? Yeah, what, dear? It's very windy. Yeah. Do you know? Yeah. Do you know the Gaja storm? Yeah, yes, dear. Before, I think 2 years back, in our village, the Gaja storm is came, dear. All coconut trees are destroyed, dear. Coconut trees and some homes also, the houses also they destroyed. Yeah, this is what season, dear? This is windy, windy or stormy. Okay, yeah, they are four seasons and weathers. Okay, uh, in our country, what are these? Sunny. First one is sunny weather. This one is rainy. This one is windy. This one is cloudy. Okay, winter season. This is a winter season. This is a windy season. Okay, dears. Next one. This is a, what is this, dear? Yeah, this is a weather chart. What is this? This is a weather chart. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy. These are called the weather chart. Okay, thank you, dears. You should write the examination well, dears. You should write the correct answer in the proper place. Don't scribble the papers. Don't scribble the examination paper. Okay, all the best, dears. Okay, all the best. You prepare well. You should get good marks, dear. Okay, thank you, dears.